Hello mga ka-UVJ. Maraming salamat po pala una sa lahat sa mga nag-subscribe po, sa mga nag-like, sa mga nag-comment. Thank you so much po. Okay. So, sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate today, better luck next time po. Baka po energy nyo na masagap ko. So, by the way, ako na naman ulit. Sorry lang, medyo na-busy ng konti. So, tingnan natin. Tingnan natin kung ano ang first week of June. First week of June ni Virgings Collective. Tingnan natin. Wala po tayong gender sa energy. Okay, so use your own discernment po. Sitwasyon nyo yan. Temptation. At saka 9 of air. At kuy, day. May hindi makatulog dito ba? Kasi bakit? Natitintasyonan ka ba, Virgo? O merong tintasyonan sa'yo? Sleepless nights, 9 of air, depression, anxiety. Nyari, Virgo. Temptasyon. Tintasyonan ka saan? O may natitintasyonan sa'yo? Tintasyon. Ayun pala siguro ito title ko dito, Tintasyon. Pero we'll see. Tingnan natin. Queen of Air. Eight of Air. Merong stuck dito. Wala po tayong gender sa energy, okay? Lakas ang air sign. Okay. Four of Fire. Ace of Water. Agoy, may in love dito. Lord. Merong in love dito regarding saan? Merong stuck din. Kasi ang bottom of the deck natin is 8 of Swords eh. Stuck mentally, emotionally, physically. Imprisonment din. Meaning to say imprison, parang limitation sa sarili. Okay. Pigil. Pigil na sinasabi. Nakita natin yung temptation kanina, di ba? Pero dito sa Four of Wands at saka Ace of Cups, hello. Virgo, Four of Wands is all about family, mission accomplished, celebration. Four of Fire, marriage, proposal, engagement, basta family, home. Together with the Ace of Cups, nangyari. Ish. May nag-a-admire dito ng wittiness mo, Virgo. May nag-a-admire dito ng diskarte mo. Queen of Air. Hindi mo man na recognize sa sarili mo or basta may nakaka-recognize sa'yo dito ng diskarte. Okay. At saka you're very wise, Virgo. When it comes to project, career, medyo, maybe, from some view. Okay. Four of Wands tsaka Ace of Cups. Ikakasal ka ba, Virgo? Proposal? Or merong mission accomplished dito na bahay? Negosyo? Four of Wands is all about stability din eh. Hindi ko lang kung career, home, family. Pero meron ditong kasi, Virgo, may gustong mag-offer sa'yo dito ng stability. Okay. May gustong mag-offer sa'yo ng stability dito kasi ina-advise May nag-a-admire kasi dito, 8 of Fire. Communication, Virgo. King of yun na, couple card. Ito lang masasabi ko. May couple tayo dito. Okay. King and Queen of Fire. Merong magko-communicate sa'yo. Okay, regarding sa home, regarding sa kung career to, regarding sa sandali lang, confusing. Bakit confusing ako magsalita at saka para bagang hindi magets? Kasi ang dami pumapasok sa isip ko na scenario dito. Sorry lang. Bear with me, Virgo. Meron ditong couple, okay, na gusto makipag-communicate sa'yo. Okay. Regarding sa home, kung paano ka, how masaya. Basta masaya kang kasama. Willing, basta there is something about this couple na magko-communicate sa'yo na gusto ka nila sa team nila. Okay. Second scenario, merong papasok sa'yo dito na gusto mag-communicate, Virgo. Okay, kung this is suitors or relationship or something, merong magmamatch ang energy nyo dito. Okay. Someone may nakakakita sa'yo or napapansin ka na you are very similarity. May same when it comes to mind, when it comes to diskarte, when it comes to utakan, when it comes to communication. Kasi air is all about communication. King of Air is madiskarte. Kaya mabawa, for example, meron kang project, tapos yung outcome na desire mo is hindi sumang-ayon sa expectation mo. So, didiskartehan mo siya. Kasi ang owl card, very wise. Okay. Tapos, so, yung outcome na ini-expect mo, hindi sumang-ayon. Okay. Ngayon, diniskartehan mo. Okay. Diniskartehan mo yung project, mas gumanda pa. You know what I mean? Biruin mo yun. And someone sees the diskarte over there, Virgo. Okay. And someone is like gustong nasa team ka, gustong magkaroon ng mission accomplished together. Okay, kung career man to or kung relationship man, meron tayong nakikitang moving in together with the Ace of Cups. Okay, meron communication dito eh. Legit na gusto ka nitong makasama. Around home or around work. Okay. Sana nag-gets ako. Nakakainis naman ng simula. Kasi para baga akong, hindi ko alam kung ano yung pati ako naguluhan. Hindi ko alam kung may confused dito or nagbibigay ng mixed emotion or mixed signal kind of energy. Kasi parehas tuutakan eh. Parehas mind games. Hindi ko sinabing mind games kasi ang intention ng isa sa inyo is like to be stabilized, then love. New beginning in love. Merong communication dito, parehas kayo. Magaling sa communication, parehas kayong action taker. Basta magmamatch ang energy nyo in some point. Okay. May similarity kayong dalawa, so this person, nakikita ka niya as wifey material, ikaw nakikita mo as husband material, I don't know. Basta something in that line. Basta ang ano dito is couple card. Or kung hindi man yung unang senaryo yung sinabi ko, merong couple na magkakausap sa'yo na, regarding stability, mission accomplished, project, kung about career man to, okay. Or merong lalapit sa'yo na makikipag-communicate sa'yo, 8 of Fire, 8 of Wands yan, magte-take action sa'yo na, tawag niyan, gusto ka nila sa team nila. Okay. Kasi nakikita nila yung binibigay mo yung emotion ano mo 'pag yung spirit. Kasi ang mga Virgo 'pag may project sila talaga or tutok sila sa trabaho, mga workaholic kasi yan, eh, gets mo? May dalawang Virgo sinasabi ko paulit-ulit, okey. Ang mga Virgo is workaholic din, meron ding Virgo na, ah, work smart not hard kind of thing, nage-gets mo ako Virgo? Yung para bagang naglalaro ka lang pero, alam mo kung ano ang sasakto ang oras mo, kailan ang due date, yung para bang nakikita sa mata ng ibang tao is wala lang, parang wala naglalaro ka lang, standby or what. Pero deep inside sa'yo 'pag pumasok ka sa isang, project talagang committed ka or trabaho talagang committed ka, rain or shine, okey. So, yun, tingnan natin basta merong communication and action din dito Virgo. Nine of Pentacles, wow. Nine of Pentacles, Two of Water, unsa man ni day? Parang couple. May nai-inlove na dito, Five of Earth. Pero someone is feeling isolated, Queen of Water. Merong mali left behind dito. Ace of Ace of Cups to the Two of Cups. Ano na tayo, Virgo? Merong couple card, tapos merong pang Queen of Water, so merong involved. May kailangan maiwan dito eh. But at the same time, I think with the Five of Earth, kasi yung Five of Earth is Five of Pentacles. Financially drained, isolation, feeling left out in the cold, Virgo. Merong kailangan i-ano dito, emotionally eh, with the Queen of Water. Wala po tayong gender sa energy, okay. Pero with the Nine of Pentacles, this is my independent card, this is my single card, okay. Merong gusto mag-approach dito, my God, ito na naman po tayo. Ayokong pumunta sa mga third party situation eh. Pero if this is not, sana naman hindi. Meron kang new person dito incoming with the Ace of Cups. Okay, nakikita ka nito as a very wifey or husband material. Meron kang Queen of Water. Ibig sabihin emotionally caring, loving, gets mo? Nandun yung wittiness. Kung ikaw lang to Virgo, pero makikita natin yan kung magka-clarify pa ako. Clarify ko kaya muna bago ako salita. Tower card, unexpected. The Moon card. Oh, so hidden gem mo pala to. So, nakikita ka nila as may nagpe-perceive sa'yo dito, Virgo, na um, you are sharp. Okay. Para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po, okay. Pero meron kang soft side. Meron kang marshmallow side with the messenger ay Queen of Water. Water is all about emotion. Okay. So, but very intellect. I mean, kung i-combine mo tong Queen of Swords at saka Queen of Cups, Queen of Water, ang ganda ng combination nitong dalawang to. Gets mo ako? Empathy nandito. Kahit na sabihin natin may bluntness ka, pero at the end of the day, yung emotion is maganda pa kahalo eh. Maganda pa ka-blend mind and emotion. Okay. So, meron ditong, ito yung hidden gem mo. Very unexpected. Masashock yung tao sa ganong character mo. Okay. Meron ka palang soft spot or soft side. Okay. Alam mo kung paano, alam mo kung kailan ka magsasalita, alam mo kung kailan ka, merong maa-amaze dito. Okay. Merong maa-amaze because of the character na ini-embody mo, Virgo. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin. Kasi bakit ko nasabing maa-amaze? Kasi may Two of Cups at saka may Ace of Cups eh. Hello. Okay. But meron tayong Five of Pentacles. Ang Five of Pentacles po is financially drained, emotionally unstable, meaning to say isolation. Five of Pentacles, feeling left out. Gets mga Virgo. Four of Wands, it's all about the home, marriage, proposal, mission accomplished. Gets mo? So, meron ditong gustong be together. Okay, pero hindi gano'n ka-easy ang Queen of Swords. Kailangan mo tumbasan ang mentality ng person na 'to, or baka itong person na 'to kailangan niyang tumbasan kung anong mga communication or anong mga tumatakbo sa utak mo, okay. But meron ka pa ring Queen of Cups, which means shockingly you are, ang sabihin natin, ano nga yun, ang bait mo pa rin. Kahit na medyo napitik yung mga words mo, may bluntness ka dun, pero very, tawag niyan, very attractive, nakakataas ng adrenaline, tama ba ako? Adrenaline ba yun? Basta the way na mag-ano ka, the way na mag-communicate ka, ganito, 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 okay kasi yung parang Virgo. So, merong someone dito na kailangan tumbasan kung anong energy mo, Virgo. Kung gusto niya 'tong Two of Cups and the Ace of Cups, wow naman. Very unexpected, tsaka secret card, the Moon card and the Tower card. So, meron ditong na-shock, secretively. What? Meron pala siyang oh my God, gano'n siya ka-bitter pero, oh my God, ang bait niya pa. You know what I mean, Virgo? Analogy ko lang yun pero gano'ng energy ang nafi-feel ko. Okey. Kung sino man ang mga taong nakapaikot sa'yo, sino man ang mga makikilala mo, kaya meron tayong Two of Cups at saka Ace of Cups, nafo-fall ba, mafo-fall talaga sa ganiyang attitude, okey, na meron ka palang hidden something dito. Kumbaga ang tingin sa'yo sa una is very unapproachable ka, approachable ka pero in a way na mataas ang boundary mo, mafi-feel ng person, okey, mafi-feel ng mga first time mong makikilala or mafi-feel ng mga basta yung mga hindi pa nakakakilala sa'yo, okey? The more na kinikilala ka na, the more na nakikita nila yung Queen of Cups. So, very unexpected. Tapos with the Moon card, wala kang maririnig pero makikita mo sa facial expression, okey. Nage-gets mo ako na ma-a-amaze pa sila. Kasi bakit ko sinabing ma-amaze, humahanga, or Ace of Cups, Two of Cups, oh. Tas communication card, single card, Nine of Pentacles, independent card. Kung sino man 'tong person na 'to, ang ganda ng paningin sa'yo, um, ituloy niya lang 'yan kasi marami pa siyang madi-discover, cross watcher. Marami ka pang madi-discover kay Virgo. Ang daming features, okey, na mai-explore ka. So, yeah. So, secretively hindi ko masabing nag-a-admire, pero nandun na yung admiration kasi ang lakas ng Two of Water at saka Ace of Cups tsaka Four of Wands. If you are a single Virgo or you are very independent Virgo, someone here is talagang ina-admire ang independency mo, paano ka dumiskarte, paano ka, sabi ko nga kanina, kung may project ka na in-expect mo na hindi sumang-ayon sa expectation mo, very unexpected na kaya mo talagang diskartehan, okey. So, yun ang secret, meron kang hidden gem na sinasabi, hidden features, nati-trigger lang siya 'pag sa mga sitwasyon na importante. Virgo. Ay, Queen of Earth, well, lalabas na siguro ang Empress dito. Kasi tatlo na sila, in 3 in 1. Okey. So, with the Queen of Earth, you know papaano dumiskarte, as I said, if ikaw lang 'to. I think ikaw lang 'to, kasi hindi ko naman nafi-feel na merong third party or something. As I said kanina, I don't think so, Virgo, na may third party dito. Kung meron man, with the Four of Wands, we'll see, makikita natin. So, with the Queen of Earth dito, you are financially focusing. Nagfo-focus ka financially. Pasensya na, baliktad. Okay, you are about the bag, Virgo. Queen of Earth, business-minded, entrepreneurial mindset. Okay. lahat ng opportunity when it comes to source of income talagang wala kang papalampasin, okey. May pinapalampas ka man pero darating at the end of the day, isa-summarize mo siya kung saan ka talaga fit. Yun ang nakikita ko dito with the Queen of Earth, okey. Ace of Earth, as I said, it's all about the bag, Virgo. You are focusing more on your she's ay, Ace of Cups, Two of Cups, Ace of Pentacles. Puro queen ang nandito in fairness. Nag-iisa yung king. So, masasabi kong kung ikaw lang 'to, Virgo, you can pay your own bills. Very, very independent, very responsible. Okay. So, very unexpected na ang dami mong features as I said. Okay. Kung sa mga makakakilala sa'yo talagang maa-amaze. Okay. Okay. Nine of Fire at saka the Emperor. Hindi lumabas ang Empress pero yung Emperor. Anyway, wala po tayong gender sa tarot pero kung sa makikita nyo, ang Emperor card is more masculine. Virgo, kung ikaw ang breadwinner or let's just say hindi in a term na cum laude or kung ikaw ay nagdadala ng mga responsibilidad, okay, may marami kang responsibilidad regarding sa pamilya mo, sakop mo, pati kapatid mo, pati anak ng anak mo, yung kind of energy. Kung ikaw ay, basta meron ka ditong energy na talagang masculine, more masculinity, nanay na tatay pa, tatay na nanay pa, gets mo ako? Kind of energy. Yun ang ini-embody mo to which is very, very attractive. Very attractive, Virgo. Second scenario na nakukuha ko dito, merong Emperor boss energy dito, father figure, na talagang attract na attract sa'yo, pero with the Nine of Fire, defensive ka. Ay, hindi defensive. Anong tawag niyan? Mataas ang guard mo. Your guard is up. Okay. You're doing your own thing here, Virgo. Nine of Fire at saka Nine of Pentacles. Okay. May ginagawa ka dito eh. So, you are busy or para bagang umiiwas ka na para bagang um, alam mong nandun ang leon, andun ang emperor sa likod mo, pero you are working something here. Okay. Pero aware ka na merong nakatingin sa'yo, may nakaabang sa'yo. Okay, pero you are just busy, let's just say. So, nakikita ng emperor na to na defense mechanism mo yun. Na busy ka with the Nine of Pentacles, you're all about the bag with the Ace of Pentacles, with the Queen of Pentacles. Itong Pentacles ng lahat ng to, busy ka on something. Yun lang siguro ang defense mechanism mo para hindi makapasok tong emperor na to or tong King of Air. Okay, Virgo? Wala po tayong gender sa energy. Pero as I said kanina, ini-embody mo ang nanay na tatay pa, or tatay na nanay pa. Gets mo ko? So, merong expect some communication, Virgo, regarding sa person specifically na maa-amaze. Maa-amaze sa mga features na meron ka. But at the same time, this person is with the Two of Cups and the Ace of Cups. Gusto ng renewal when it comes to love life. Okay, I don't know kung ikaw ang natripan nito or ikaw ang mapagbubuntunan ng gusto niyang, you know, ng gusto niyang love life or ano pa man ang gusto niyang mangyari kasi nakikita niyang very compatible kayong dalawa pero nakikita niya meron kang boss energy din at the same time kasi kung isa na lang ang kulang oh. Meron ka ng cups, meron kang air, meron kang pentacle. Wands na lang ang kulang, impress ka na. Okay. So, you're all about the bag, you're all about love, self-love with the Ace of Cups, Ace of Pentacles. The more na nurture mo yung sarili mo, the more na nakaka-attract ka dito ng stable person. Okay, let's just say hindi siya immature kasi with the King of Swords, very, very matured person. Okay. All about future, all about long-term goal, hindi to short-term. Walang short-term dito. Okay, very matured person. Talagang magma-match ang energy niyo kasi actually based on experience, eh. Maraming relationship na rin 'tong, napagdaanan. Mga king and queens kasi 'yan, eh. So, may mga experience 'yan, okey. So, yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. So, tignan natin. 3 cards pa more. Expect some communication with Virgo. Mafe-feel mo yan energetically. Let me know in the comment below. Okay, in the month of June. First week of June. Okay. Meron ditong with the Two of Cups talagang nai-imagine or na pipicture niya with the Two of Cups na merong equal give and take dito. Okay. May possibility, okay. Pero ang ano dito is communication. Communication is the key. Pero itong person na 'to, nakikita ka niya as you are very busy. Defense mechanism, Wheel of Fortune 'no, sabi ko na nga ba. Nakikita ka niya as you're focusing on more on the bag, okay. Meron kang gustong ma-achieve dito, okay, or gusto mong mag-grow pa ng grow or you are still nasa proseso ka ng creating your own. I think may stability ka na dito, eh, kasi 9 of Pentacles. Ikaw na nagbabayad ng mga kung ano-ano, kaya mong mag-provide sa sarili mo. Madiskarte ka dito, eh. So, itong person na 'to nakikita ka niya as defense mechanism mo na very busy ka always, okay. Or baka dinadahilan mo na lang na busy ka, kind of energy. Okay. Or you're bossing here. Ikaw, I think ikaw ang boss dito. Marami kang responsibilidad with the Emperor card. At saka itong King of Swords is hindi niya alam kung paano siya papasok. Kasi meron kang balancing-balanse ang energy mo ng masculine energy at saka feminine energy. Yung parang, alam mo yung yin and yang. Parang sa first week of June, yung yin and yang mo very balanced. Let's just say separate energy dapat yan physically, pero I think ini-embody mo yung nanay na tatay pa, tapos tatay na nanay pa, kind of energy, okay. And this person, may nakakapansin sa'yo dito, Virgo. Mga galawan mo, the way na mag-isip ka, the way you think, diskarte, multitasking with the nine of fire, 9 of Wands yun, eh. At saka alam nitong person na 'to na you've been through a lot, okey. So, meron ditong shock sa sitwasyon. Di ko alam kung ikaw masho-shock or may masho-shock sa'yo, okey. Na meron palang soft spot or talagang, ah, all about future goals, long term, okey. Basta either ikaw or the person that you are connecting with or magko-connect sa'yo na masho-shock dito, very unexpected. Pero hindi mo 'to mahahalata kasi with the Moon card nakatago 'to, pero makikita mo sa facial expression, okey. Or meron siyang sasabihin na words kasi meron tayong communication card, okey. Kasi ang 8 of Wands is communication and action din, pero fast, mabilis lang, okey. Ace of Cups, self-love, more on finances. So, tingnan natin 3 cards more. 8 of Air, lumabas na yan kanina, eh. Merong stuck dito, 8 of Air, 7 of Fire, at saka Ace of Air. Tatlo na ang ace mo, tatlo na rin ang queen mo. So, with the 10 of Water. Okay, so merong gustong ano dito, Virgo. Merong stuck lang dito, eh. 7 of Wands is ipaglalaban pa rin. 7 of Fire, okay. 7 of Wands yan, kahit na parang ang image niya dito is the Full card. Taking a risk pa rin. Na alam mong hindi mo alam kung anong babagsakan, eh. Okay, pero wishing upon the star pa rin. Meron pa rin mga guides dito, intuition niya, na nagsasabi kailangan mong gawin kung ano yung vision mo. Gets mo, Virgo? Kasi with the 8 of Air, merong stuck dito mentally, nakapiring ka man, di mo man alam kung anong babagsakan mo, pero you need to take action. Meron tayong action card. 7 of fire to the 8 of fire. Okay. Together with the ace of... Yung para bagang... Paano mo malalaman kung hindi mo susubukan? 'Di ba? Kasi kung nasa stuck mentality lang, wala talagang mangyayari. Eh, ang ganda ng outcome mo with the 10 of cups. 'Di ba? Yun ang sinasabing, paano mo malalaman kung hindi mo susubukan? Na ang ganda naman ng outcome mo. Meron kang 10 of water, ace of pentacles. Very unexpected, Virgo. Okay. For some of you, kung sino man tong person na incoming sa'yo, if this is a new person, I think this is a new person, Virgo. Okay. This is a new person. Hindi ako nakakaramdam ng past. Okay. So, tignan natin kung anong advice. Clarify natin kung past nga to. I think dito past eh. 10 of earth. Oh. Then, this is a new person, Virgo. Moving forward. Makikilala mo to along your journey. I mean, baka nga nakilala mo na eh. Basta, first week of June, meron ka mararamdaman na may nagmamatch ng energy mo. There is something in there in the first week of June. Just let me know. First week of June. So, tingnan natin kung anong advice. Meron kang have faith in your dreams. Bakit may nakasali dito? Nandito yung Ace of Fire. Oh. Baka, meant to be. Everything happens for a reason. So, Ace of Fire, motivated ka on something here, Virgo. Lumabas ang 4 na Ace. Ace of Cups ay 3 pala. Ace of Pentacles at saka Ace of... Ang galing, lumabas din ng 2 10. Virgo ito na tsaka yung Wheel of Fortune kanina. Kaya sabi ko sa'yo kanina may temptation eh. Merong natitintasyonan talaga dito kasi ang alam niya, you're a match. Match made in heaven. Ay, ano ba yung naririnig ko dahil? Kailangan niyang i-match ang energy mo, Virgo. Kailangan niyang makibagay. Hindi ko sinabing sa pilitan para makuha ang gusto niya. Meaning to say, I mean, willing siyang magpaguhin lahat ng anggulo ng buhay niya just to fit. Okay. I think nakikita ka niya dito as hidden gem. Oh my God. I have faith in your dreams, Virgo. Wait lang. Meron ditong hidden gem. Okay. Ikaw yung hidden gem dito. Emotions are running high, Virgo. So, meron ditong someone na talaga namang yung emotion niya is pinipigilan niya lang talaga as in. Okay. So, take time to breathe out. So, baka merong person dito na kailangan mag-break, take a break, lumabas, or magkape, or basta kailangan inhale, exhale, kasi it's a lot, lahat new, oh. Puro ace, puro king and queens, like, hello, puro 10-10. Ang ganda ng reading mo, Virgo. Adjustment is required definitely. Kung ito ay bago lahat, bago lahat for one celebration, coming in together, living in together. Kung pagdating naman sa career, ang ganda pa rin. Okay. Nagbo-bossing up ka when it comes to career. May mga bago kang idea dito. Grabe ka sa diskarte. Okay. Yung empathy, tsaka compassion mo is very highlights in the month of June, first week of June. So, tingnan natin kung anong angel message number mo. Ang ganda ng energy, Virgo. Tingnan natin kung anong angel message number. Meron kang queen. Meron kang 3, 3, 10, 5. So, 3, 10, 5 Virgo. Google mo siya. Angel message number 3, 10, 5. Meron kang mensahe dyan, baka makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo. So, yes, this is what I have for you, Virgo. Ang ganda. This is what I have for you, Virgo. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. And bye for now.